After a long day at school, sometimes all you want is a moment to relax. Your hair feels messy, your skin feels tired, and your mind is still full of everything that happened during the day. A simple shower can feel like a reset button. The warm water, the fresh shampoo, and a few minutes just for yourself can instantly change your mood. So in this video, let's go through a simple and relaxing shower routine step by step. Step 1. Prepare your shower. Before getting into the shower, keep everything ready. Take a clean towel and place it nearby. Keep your clothes or a bathrobe ready for after the shower. Put your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and loofah inside the shower area. If you have long hair, keep a hair clip or hair tie close as well. Make sure everything you need is already within reach. Step 2. Wet your hair and body. Step into the shower and start by turning on the water. Let the water run over your hair and body for a few seconds. Make sure your hair is completely wet before moving to the next step. Step 3. Wash your hair first. Start by washing your hair before moving to your body. Take a small amount of shampoo and apply it mainly to the roots and scalp, not the ends of your hair. Gently massage your scalp using a scalp massager if you have one. If not, your fingertips work perfectly fine. Move across your scalp and hairline while massaging, then rinse your hair completely with water. Washing your hair first helps because shampoo and conditioner will run down while rinsing. Step 4. Apply conditioner. After rinsing the shampoo, take a small amount of conditioner and apply it to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Avoid applying it directly on the scalp. Gently spread it through your hair using your fingers. Leave it on your hair while you continue with the next steps in your shower. Step 5. Wash your body. Take your body wash and apply a small amount onto a loofah, sponge, or washcloth. Work it into a lather and start cleansing from the neck and shoulders. Then move to your arms, underarms, chest, and stomach. Continue to your back, hips, and legs, making sure to wash behind the ears, under the arms, between the toes, and the soles of your feet as well. Take your time to go over each area before rinsing. Step 6. Rinse off. After washing your body, rinse everything off with water. Make sure all the body wash is completely washed away. Then rinse your hair again to remove the conditioner from the mid-lengths and ends. Let the water run through your hair and body until there's no product left. Step 7. Step out and dry. Turn off the water and carefully step out of the shower. Use your towel to gently dry your body. Pat your skin instead of rubbing. Then wrap your hair with a towel or gently squeeze out the excess water. Step 8. After shower care. Once your body is dry, put on your clothes or bathrobe. Apply your body lotion evenly over your arms, legs, and other areas. If you follow a skincare routine, continue with that as well. You can finish by applying deodorant or your body mist. And that's it for this simple shower routine. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few basic steps to get clean and feel fresh. You can follow it after a long school day or during a relaxed weekend. Thanks for watching.